Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the Boat Airdopes 402. This is one of the cheapest TWS earbuds available in India. It costed me around 1300 bucks during the Flipkart Big Billion Day sales. In this video, let's unbox these buds and check out whether these cheap earbuds are worth buying or not. The small little box with all the features written at the back. 10mm drivers, 17 hours of playback time, Bluetooth 5.0, which means it will have a good communication range. We will be looking out for all these features in the later part of the video. Now let's check out what's inside the box. We have the case. There is an LED indicator at the back for battery and a micro USB port for charging. Next, we have a packet containing a USB to micro USB cable and some ear tips. Then we have some leaflets including a user manual and a warranty card. Now, the case is made up of plastic, and to my surprise, I didn't expect the case to be this good. Build quality is on par with other buds under 2K. The hinge didn't fiddle around like some other offerings. Opening and closing mechanism is also quite satisfying, thanks to its strong magnets. Only thing it misses out on are the Type-C port. Instead it gets a micro USB port, which is fine, as you won't be charging it as frequently as a smartphone, but still, Type-C would have been better. The buds are also made up of plastic, and there were some panel caps on the buds, but it's quite lightweight and wearing this for a long duration of time won't be any issue. There were 3 ear tips provided in the box. You can choose it as per your fit. By default, it comes fitted with the medium size and it fits perfectly for me. The buds are IPX5 rated, hence it is sweat resistant. Therefore, you can use it during workout or running. Now talking about the biggest factor why you are buying these buds, audio quality. The audio quality of the Boat 402 is pretty mediocre. If you are into that bassy music, then these earbuds is not for you. There is almost no bass at all. Audio does get quite loud, but it gets distorted at just around 70% volume. So yeah, if you are an audio freak, then these earbuds are not for you. Moving on to connectivity, these buds comes with Bluetooth version 5. Hence, it had pretty good range. There is no connection loss for a distance of up to 20 meters. Also, there is no connect or disconnect issues like we have seen with other cheap earbuds. For pairing, simply turn on Bluetooth on your phone and pull out both the earbuds. Earbud name will appear on the screen, confirm the pairing code, and you are good to go. Also, if for some reason you are getting audio through only one earbud, just put the earbud back into the case and pull it out. It will automatically connect. Both the earbuds are master earbuds, that means you can use either of them at a time. If you're using one earbud at a time, it will switch to mono mode and you can use both earbuds separately for 2 different phones. There are capacitive touch buttons on both the buds for media control and Google Assistant. Single tap on either bud plays or pause a song. Double tap on right bud to play the next song and on the left for previous song. Tap and hold for 2 seconds on either of the bud to trigger Google Assistant. There is a slight delay on recognizing the gestures, but it works most of the time. One thing that annoys me a lot are those LED lights. It kept on blinking while in use, which makes it quite uncomfortable to wear it in the public, especially at night. Moving on to battery life, I get around 2.5 hours of continuous playback, so yeah, it is pretty close to the claimed 3 hours mark. Mind you, I generally use it at around 30 to 50% volume, so it depends on your usage. As for the case, I can't conclude much about the charge cycle as it's just been few days, but yeah, it will definitely gonna give 14 hours plus of playback time. In conclusion, I must say Boat Airdopes 402 is a great earbuds. It generally retails for 1700, but during the sale you can grab it for around 1300. If you are looking for the truly wireless earbuds for under 1500 and doesn't care much about the sound quality, then the Boat Airdopes 402 is the best bet. But if you are more into the sound quality, then you must spend a bit more and get the one from the Realmes and the Oppos, or get the Neckband instead. Okay, that's pretty much it. Do let me know what you think of the boat Airdopes, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until then, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.